Let's walk through how to generate ethical engagement guidelines for outbound students using the UNI Global AI Copilot. Start on the left by entering the home institution name. Here we've put University of Valencia. Then the home country is Spain. The host institution is Nottingham University, and the host country is United Kingdom. Under type of programs, we've selected full year study abroad. You can select a preferred language, model, and word count if you'd like. Once filled out, click the Generate button. Looking to the right-hand side, the Copilot produces an ethical engagement guidelines draft. It covers academic conduct, cultural sensitivity, and community involvement. Each section outlines actionable expectations for students to ensure a respectful and responsible experience abroad. Once the content is generated, you can make edits, export it, or copy and paste it into orientation guides or program manuals.